someone on my channel just asked me, how can I build my own app and make millions with it? And of course, in order to do that, you need a great idea for your app. Nowadays, with Base44, you can build your app easily, but still there needs to be a great idea in order to make some money off it. And in this video, I want to show you some great places to start looking for great ideas. So let's start. Base44, probably you've heard of it because there's so many advertisements out there from them. And if you want to do me a favor, if you haven't signed up yet, you will find a link for Base44 down here in the video description. It's a partner link. I will make sure I always link the best offer for you down here. And at the same time, you're helping me and my channel. So thank you a lot if you're using my link. Just click on it and then you will land here. And of course, Base44 gives you some use cases here. For example, you can build different apps such as product management apps, business intelligence and analytics, dev productivity tools, educational tools. But I think the examples here are quite limited because when you click on it, they will just give you here a language learning app, a virtual tutoring app, an educational game, and they kind of just give you a prompt. So I don't think this is the best place to look for great ideas in their use case catalog here, so to say, but they also have like a template database from their users. So I think this is a little bit better. Just go base44.com/templates. And then here down here, you have more than just prompts. So here you have some apps you can take a look at. I like this one a lot because there's this tool monday.com, which is like a multi-billion-dollar company, and someone just built a tuesday.com. And down here, so these are apps which users of Base44 have built. So you can just click on view all in the productivity category, and then you can take a look how the apps are looking and how they're working. So just click on view app, and most often you will land on a login screen. Then you just need to sign up here and then you can start using the app. So just go through here on the Base44 templates for whatever category interests you the most. For example, financial apps, and then you have 37 different apps for financial, for example, dashboards or analytics, and just go through them. And when you find one which you really like, then you can also use it as a template. So you can start off there. And I think this is pretty cool because then it's kind of open source and you also see how much people like it. For example, here, this app, digital asset trading interface, you see over 5,000 people have cloned it. So this is very popular in the community, and just go through the categories and see which apps are kind of rising here to the top. This one, Codemasters, is also quite interesting because most people have cloned it. But the question here was like, how can I make millions? And I'm not really sure if you find $1 million ideas here on Base44 because these are just templates and they are free to use and you don't get any information how much money they're already making. And so therefore, Base44, I think it's still one of the best vibe coding platform today. So feel free to use it. You will find the link here down here. But now I want to show you where you can find good ideas. So for example, there's this YouTube channel called Starter Story. I don't know if you heard of it, but he has over 350 videos on people making money with apps. For example, this guy claims I made 35K per month with my SaaS. SaaS stands for software as a service, of course. He makes 13K a month, 20K a month, and I don't know, 30K a month. Here he makes 15K a month and he makes 10K a month. So there are a lot of people claiming making a lot of money, 3 million, 4 million, 420K. And I honestly don't know why they're sharing this public, but they do this, and the Starter Story YouTube channel is quite famous for this. So you will get good ideas for apps which are successful. And of course, you shouldn't go ahead and copy it, but you now know what kind of audiences are out there, what people are paying for. And if you watch a bunch of these videos, of course, you will have a better understanding of the market and what app idea might work for you. And there are other platforms like this. For example, one is indiehackers.com, and an indie hacker is someone like a one-person hacker who builds apps for a living. So, and they are kind of sharing their stories as well. So you can go here on creators, and then you can see some people here. For example, he is hitting 10 million in annual recurring revenue with a programming course. Or if you go down, he's making 21 million with a media tech powerhouse. And you can just go through the stories which they are publicly sharing here. And yeah, the database here, the list of articles is kind of endless. ideas. And it's a great community to also get some information on which products are currently working in the market. On to the next, because I promised you 5 different sources. You can go to Producthunt, and Producthunt is used by a lot of indie hackers or startups to promote their products. So you can just sign up at Producthunt, describe your product, share a link, and then people can vote for it. And here, for example, is the leaderboard of this year, 2026, and this PostThinker app is currently running on number 1. If you go to 2025, there's this app on number 1, and you can just go ahead and see what this app can do for you. So for example, this is using AI also. Looks like for graphic designers, a good AI to use. And yeah, this is Producthunt. I do like it a lot because there are really cool tools out there. For example, Mom Clock, and Mom Clock just is a tool which is replacing your mom in order to make you more productive. So you can block your phone with it and it will send you reminders to do study, work, or go to the gym or whatever. So this is another database, so to say, of good apps and which are currently used by a lot of people. And you can just go through. Of course, you shouldn't copy the first one, but just go down and find ideas which kind of interest you and kind of meeting your skills. And yeah, this is Producthunt. And another one, which is kind of obvious, is the Chrome Web Store. Here you also have a lot of different tools people are using on a daily basis. You can just install the application always in the Chrome browser and people are using it. And here you can also see what kind of apps people are using the most. And of course, this is the Chrome Web Store integration, and it will take a little bit more effort to build an app and put it on the Chrome Web Store. But you can start building the idea, for example, translating documents. You could build that easily in Base44. People could upload their document and then they will get a translation copy of it, and then they can download it. And if you find a lot of users using it, then of course you can pay a developer, for example, building an app for the Chrome store. And yeah, this is another great database for good tools, because here you can rank them by ratings, for example, or most commonly used apps. And I think here you will find plenty of different app ideas which you can start using. And last but not least, to be honest, I would just go ahead and see what kind of apps are in the S&P 500, for example, because there are companies like DocuSign or Trello, and they are easy to copy with Base44, because nowadays Base44 can write you a whole Trello board. I've seen a YouTube video where someone just did that. So this is the company Trello.com, and you've seen it. It's just a working board, so where you can just write in your to-dos and then you can just move them in the lanes in different columns and get it done. And it's fairly easy to copy because it's just a board. Of course, Trello has more integrations, but you can build at least 50% of the functionality in Base44. Then you can start promoting it to companies, and instead of Trello, they will be using your tool. And when you make a lot of money from your app, you can of course hire more developers, or maybe at that time Base44 is already as good as a whole team of developers, and then you can just continue building it with Base44. So yeah, I think these are the places I would look for good app ideas. For example, YouTube, Starter Stories, Indie Hackers, which is like a full community on people like you wanting to build an app. Producthunt, you will probably also use this to promote your app once it's done. And the Chrome Store I like the most because most people don't think of it. And of course, always go out in the market and see what kind of apps are working. And if you find your app and I should try it out, feel free to comment it down below in the comment section here, or if you have a question, also leave a comment down below. And thank you if you're using my link to sign up for Base44. As said, I will always make sure if there's an offer, I will link it there. And if you're down there, also feel free to give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye.